Hello. So, there are many great looking gowns and dresses out there, and each of them look really good when you see them on the rack. But how do you know which dress best fits you? In this video, we're going back to the drawing board to share 3 different necklines and how these would complement your body shape. In particular, we will help you decide on which types of necklines suit you by comparing some, such as the off-the-shoulder neckline with the one-shoulder neckline, and introduce the sweetheart neckline. We also have some off-the-shoulder wedding gowns and other unique evening gowns to show you. Interested? Stay tuned to find out more. The off-the-shoulder neckline. This neckline sits below the shoulders to focus on a wider line of vision and showcases your collarbone and shoulders, with sleeves that cover part of the upper arm. The neckline is off the shoulder and is ideal for narrow shoulders. The off-the-shoulder neckline will look good on most figures and gives off a dramatic look. It is best worn with a strapless bra. We have featured 2 off-the-shoulder gowns in our previous episodes on white wedding dresses and prom dresses and ball gowns. The first evening dress, the Noir, is a black gown characterized by her big voluminous skirt and roughly classic off-the-shoulder neckline. Do check out our video in the link here for further details on other dresses featured in our prom dress video. If you're more conscious about baring your arms, then you may wish to consider dresses with detachable sleeves. We present to you a whimsical wedding gown with an off-the-shoulder neckline and a scalloped bust line but with detachable balloon sleeves, which will cover your arms. Do get this wedding dress if you are looking for a more light and airy look, but also wish to have the option of detaching the sleeves and creating a more dramatic entrance into the wedding ballroom. Do check out our video in the link here for further details on other wedding dresses. The sweetheart neckline. Okay, not these sweethearts. But jokes aside, the sweetheart neckline is actually shaped like the top half of a heart. It's a great option for fuller-chested women as it is very flattering and a good way to show off your natural curves and enhance the bust. We have featured an exclusive white wedding dress in our first episode on white wedding dresses. This is a classic, elegant sweetheart neckline design with its extravagant 3D applique with pearls, exuding glamour with its sequins and 3D flowers. It is the epitome of a sweetheart neckline wedding gown which will make you the center of attention at your wedding. The one-shoulder neckline. This is designed by having one shoulder exposed and one strap running across the opposite shoulder to the underside of the armhole. This creates a fashion statement and is stunning in solid colors, showing off a design. In our video on prom dresses and ball gowns, we showcase the Electrify, which is a sapphire blue evening gown with a one-shoulder neckline and sparkling white leaf motif crystals. This is a must-have in your collection of evening gowns as it is unique and will be a conversation starter at dinner parties. The illusion neckline. This is a popular gown aesthetic featuring sheer fabric or lace along the top of the bodice to create a see-through look from above the bust to the neckline. In our exclusive collection, we have a designer-style mermaid gown in unique emerald green and a fluffy fishtail skirt. This design comes in elegant lace with subtle sequins for a classy sparkle effect and would be an ideal evening gown for a second marching dress at your wedding banquet. Thanks for watching this video. If you're looking for any gowns featured in this video, do click on the link in the description below to visit our online shop to find out more. The Demand Collective is a new YouTube channel that is passionate about sharing fashion influences and offering affordable designer quality dresses and gowns to our viewers. We believe you don't have to pay exorbitant prices for designer quality wedding dresses and evening gowns. If you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that we may produce more similar content and introduce more affordable gowns and evening dresses to you. Do also check out our last video on dressing for your body shape. Thank you and see you in our next video.